Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make your pictures brighter using Picsart. So let's go ahead and go to Picsart.com and log into your account. Now what you need to do is go ahead and hit the new project and click on Create Canvas. Now in the left hand side, there will be an upload option. Go to the upload option and you can upload any picture you want. I have uploaded a picture, so I will just drop and drag it and I will paste it over the edit section in the middle of the screen. Now I will tap on the image and I will go to adjust. You can see that you can manage the brightness from here. So if you turn it to -100, it will be dark. And if you brighten up the image, you can see that the image has been brightened up according to your settings. So you can even brighten up the image, increase and decrease the contrast, shadows and highlights. This way you can edit your pictures and make yourself look attractive using Picsart. This was a video on how you can make your picture brighter in Picsart. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.